Yeah, I mean, it was a competitive situation. It was a commercial loss. It was fantastic job, but 15,000 square feet combined between three facilities, and the property manager called the competition, the property owner called us, and we basically showed up at the same time, and we're trying to weasel our way to win the job. And I went out into the truck, fired up my computer, got on the edge, whipped out a scope of work and a budgetary number, and presented it to the property owner, standing right there 10 minutes later, and we won the job.
Nice.
Yeah,
Well,
it's awesome.
they were still measuring. You were signing the
Yeah,
job.
the other guy was in there literally like with his laser tape still measuring while I had my full ROM and scope of work
Uh,
written.
I
It
bet
was
that was a
awesome.
great feeling.
Oh, we made him look silly. He knew instantly. You could just
Yeah.
see the defeat in his
Well,
eyes.